So fresh into stock at Guaranteed Motors. Kia Sportage 3, so it's the top spec. We've got the aluminium side steps, diamond cut alloy wheels, which will be off to be refurbished. The LED daytime running lights, and although it's difficult to see on the camera, it's got the pearlescent white finish, which really look very vivid, especially in sunlight. We've got 106,992 miles on the clock. Steering wheel mounted controls with cruise control, Bluetooth, touchscreen sat nav, and media system. You've got dual zone climate control, heated seats, 6-speed manual gearbox, and full leather interior. Good amount of room in the rear, bags of leg room. A really good sized boot as well, and very rarely a full size proper alloy wheel as a spare. Not many manufacturers do that anymore. It does have a full service history as mentioned, and we will service the car, put a new MOT on it. It will go through a 82-point RAC check. We've also got a full long length opening sunroof. And as with all cars with Guaranteed Motors, because we are the RAC approved dealer in Bury St Edmunds, you get 6 months warranty, 12 months breakdown cover, and an 82-point RAC check is completed, and you will see the report, so you know that the car has been well prepared. Call Guaranteed Motors today.